Understanding To Encapsulate, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of English phrases, and our focus is on the expression to encapsulate. This might sound a bit complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it confidently in your conversations and writing. So, let's get started. To encapsulate is a verb that holds a powerful meaning. It means to express the essential features of something succinctly or to summarize something comprehensively yet briefly. Think of it like packing a large suitcase into a small, neat package. This phrase is often used in both spoken and written English to describe the process of distilling complex ideas or large amounts of information into a more digestible form. To really grasp a phrase, seeing it in action is key. Let's look at some examples. 1. The documentary managed to encapsulate the entire history of the Roman Empire in just 2 hours. 2. Her speech perfectly encapsulated the feelings of everyone in the room. 3. Can you encapsulate the main points of the meeting in a few sentences? In each of these examples, to encapsulate is used to describe the act of condensing information or emotions into a more compact and understandable form. While learning, it's normal to make mistakes. A common error with to encapsulate is confusing it with simply repeating information. Remember, encapsulating isn't just about repeating. It's about summarizing and highlighting the core essence of something. Now, it's your turn. Try to use to encapsulate in a sentence. Think about a book, movie, or an event you recently experienced, and try to encapsulate it in 1 or 2 sentences. Share your sentences in the comments below. That's all for today's lesson on to encapsulate. I hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and usage for you. Remember, the key to mastering English phrases is practice and application. So, keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use to encapsulate in your daily English. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video, and happy learning!